Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I have come up with home decor project gold painting cushion designing to give an ethnic look for the festivals, parties and birthday occasion to make your home look beautiful. अब आप इस वीडियो को हिंदी में देख सकते हैं। चैनल का लिंक आपके सामने है। डिटेल्स नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स पे भी अवेलेबल है। क्लिक कीजिए अमेजिंग एबीसी फैशंस चैनल को और देखते रहिए लेटेस्ट फैशंस और ट्रेंडी वीडियोस को। लेट्स क्विकली स्टार्ट विद दिस प्रोजेक्ट। आई विल बी मेकिंग दिस फॉर द स्क्वायर पिलो ऑफ 16 by 16 inches and the marking would something look like this. These type of stencil markings is also easily available in the markets. You can also check it, but I prefer everything to do at home. And these patterns are so simple and easy. These are freehand patterns. You can make it as you like. Just marking the reference lines so that we can paint on this easily. These type of ethnic patterns will really give the life to your living room. An easy way to make. It just looked like blooming sunflower. And the markings pattern would look like this. I'd be using this gold paint. I've shown in my previous videos the mixing and the making of this gold paint. It's just the mixture of gold dust powder with the varnish. Mix it smoothly without any lumps. First I'll give the outline markings using the 2 number brush. Now I'll start fill in these petals. Now to another side, I'll fill in this semicircle shape. Now I'll be using this 12 number brush. Also use black color fabric paint to fill in these petals. First start with the outer lines. Using the broader brush to fill in, the brush number is 12. Now I'll use a brush tip to fill in these dots in the semicircle shape. Just dip it and put the dots on this semicircle shape. Now I'll highlight this pattern by giving the outlines like gold on black, black on gold. And the final outcome of this beautiful cushion is here. Really, this blooming flowers will leave stunning appearance to your living room. I hope you liked it. Please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Thank you so much for watching.